The JoycePure 9-inch CarPlay screen provides seamless wireless connectivity with both CarPlay and Android Auto, enhancing hands-free operation through voice control. Its high-definition 9-inch touchscreen with a robust chip ensures smooth performance and clear visibility in any lighting, making it perfect for both day and night driving. Real-time GPS and online maps integration with popular apps like Google Maps and Waze ensure precise navigation and adaptive route suggestions based on traffic conditions. The included 1080-pixel waterproof backup camera offers a reliable rear view in all weather conditions, enhancing safety during parking maneuvers. Featuring multiple audio output options and wireless mirror link technology, this screen allows customizable audio experiences and seamless smartphone integration. The device is designed for easy installation with versatile mounting options, making it a convenient upgrade for any car without the need for console alterations.